La preuve qu'un pays peut se perdre entre deux lignes. Et son hymne, on se retrouve enfermé derrière une porte ouverte. La paix compte ses plumes, depuis que la guerre a pris des ailes. En l'air sont réduits nos rêves. Vie d'hospice dans un pays palace. D'office coupable, la justice est lâche. Sur les silences, t'as tué la parole. Y'a plus d'oreilles que des murs depuis que nos sons choquent les ondes. C'est choc, le cours de l'or sur les crimes en cours. Sur des pertes faites de bénéfices, corps sur table ronde. Des aigles feintent d'être au rossignol. La paix au bout de la langue, des armes au bout des ongles. Nos cris pour ces surdoués demeurent muets. En clair écrit sur visage et ventre, nous démontrons les torches chics d'aveugler des visionnaires. Écorchés, vifs, on tient le coup, tête ailleurs. Plus qu'un constat, l'échec est une leçon. La guerre est une mauvaise réponse à des bonnes questions.
Hello my beautiful precious people from Congo, welcome to our show Nzanzi Connection qui vient simplement du Mboka Connection. Émission où ils ont connecté bino na Afrique du Sud, Afrique du Sud na Congo. Émission où ça que bon mo na ndenge Afrique du Sud ça la nyoso pour na Mboka na bango et ezanga ya kolia te ezanga courant te ezanga nzela te ezanga bandroit touristique te. Alors nous beaucoup découvrir beaucoup faire découvrir bino Afrique du Sud na domaine nyoso. Alors pour le moment, tout ça l'émission en Afrique du Sud, mais prochainement, tu es dans un pays aux Alina, Égypte, pourquoi pas Jérusalem, pourquoi pas Dakar, tu es dans tu es ni bango, bazo sala pour pas te image yamboka na bango, ni bazo sala que mboka na bango ça envié par-ci par-là. Pourquoi pas biso pe na Congo mboka biso ça envié bato ta par-ci par-là ba kita. Alors mboka connaissait ezana pour na ngo za pour critiquer Congo te ni gouvernement, tozana ka pour connecter bino na pays aux a développé. Alors émission d'abus à l'autre au salon on a autobéni mboka ngo l'essai du village titre d'abus zali un tour à l'essai du village a to ko laksabino ndenge ni Afrique batonga endroit oyo et un endroit mo touristique et un endroit batonga pour conserver culture sud-africaine de l'autre ko laksabino a beaucoup mona ke Afrique c'est beaucoup no bazulu kuna ko lebika bobaka bazulu ezaka bazulu te bandebele bazali bavenda bazali bakosa bazali de Congo la bango bazali baluba la bango bazali bangala la bango bazali alors beaucoup découvrir kaka awa. Alors sans plus tarder nous allons respirer avec la chanson de Mabele Elissi parce que toujours est sur les villages Mabele Elissi et nous allons revenir juste après. Stay connected with us, don't go anywhere, don't change the channel. Thank you, take a look.
Président Bauta na mboka okeya kona moma inguru banga Komelo kanga ezala ba ministre bauta na mboka okeya kona moma okuluka Albert Bombito ezala ba PDG bauta na mboka okeya kona meri ngira ezala ba commerçant bauta na mboka okeya kona moma okuluka kulufa ezala ba homme d'affaires bauta na mboka okeya kona moma iseke mangai ataba yana zembo bauta na mboka okeya kona moma mbokolo kuma iserenge ai ngai Mabele Elisio ai ngai okulaka nkumu ya mboka o ai ngai Mabele Elisio Équateur, mon amala igei photo auta na mboka okeya kuna moma iri ngongo me député ya bweni okera ngunda o elfen kuro kwa na auta na mboka okeya kuna moma longi malo malo nyate myolore okera ngunda mbo zata da bombole auta na mboka okeya kuna moma
Welcome back to Ashonzandi Connection. Bozomona toza liboso ya lycée du village. Bozomona batune batelemi awa. Bazo welcome ba visiteur o bazo akosala tour awa na village lycée di. Bazo welcome ba ona nzembo. Yo bozo baseka ba kiti na bus, bato na kiti na voiture, babandi koyemba. Donc musala bango za awa kapona koyemba. Ko welcome batu o ba ko visiter village na bango o ba bengi lycée di. Alors, biso pe tozo contacter na kato e ba nini village lycée di ebombeli biso boko to découvrir ma belé kuna bino bo mona la miso. Alors, suivez-nous s'il vous plaît. Toujours na émission na biso na un tour à lycée du village toye awa toyi to sala ndeko na biso mo interview ay biso tozo mona ndenge bat bazo yemba so bat baye ba kiti na bus bat bazali bande bazo yemba toyi to ba ndemba ngo like nini pourquoi bazo yemba ndembo na pesa monoko nini. Hello sister.
Hello.
Yeah, I would like you to tell me, can you tell me your name please?
My name is Ziyanda Mjali.
Yes, where are you from?
I'm from KwaZulu Natal.
Okay, I would like to know because I saw when you came in, you welcomed us with a song, and I would like to know why this song. What is the meaning of the song?
Definitely, it's war cries. It's songs which they sang in the war. So, but when we sang, when you came inside, we were welcoming you with a song.
Which language? This song?
It's a Zulu war cry song.
Oh, yes. When was having the war?
When the men were having a war, when they were just getting ready for the war, they would sing, you know, because music, people sing when they're happy, people sing when they're sad, you know, so it brought them together and they became united. So that's what we are trying to also preach here in the City Cultural Village.
Okay. Nzembo o ba tukoyembela biso bazoyembela so bizaki tango bazaki na guerre, nzembo bazaki koyemba. Alors tango bat bazoyamba bona nzembo wana parce que nzembo wana za nzembo ya songo to nzembo pe ya mawa bazoyamba batu nango pona ko ba fil présence ya lycée du village. Donc c'est ça quoi. Donc continuez toujours l'émission na biso Nzandi Connection na un tour à lycée du village. Toujours l'émission de Bissomboka Connexion na un tour à lycée du village. Donc la guida tourna parce que bayi ba autorisation na village nyonso bandako bozomo na ba village nyonso siko na ina tourna village ni to bandi émission na biso. Sister, I would like to know which village are we now?
We are in the Pedi village. Pedi people, they are all the way from the northern province, but today they call it Limpopo province. Limpopo is a famous river that separates South Africa and Zimbabwe.
Donc à la village il y a les Pedi nous expliquer eza babenyo comme il y a Limpopo eza village moko frontalier entre Zimbabwe na South Africa. De l'autoyer à tout découvrir. Can you go inside for you to explain to me everything?
Before we go inside, we need to greet them. But before we also go inside, you need to know where you're going.
Okay.
So this place, they call it Lelapa, is their home state.
Abi avant to kota kuna il faut expliquer nyoso ali banda na ba pasi nazo kende ninda kusala kuna.
Okay, so before we go inside, let's greet them by saying Tobela.
Avant to kota kuna il faut to so mbote Tobela. Okay, now we can go in. Thank you. Okay, what is happening when you greet? If you don't greet them, what's going to happen if you just enter?
Because they don't expect you to be here. So you need to alert them that there's a visitor. Because you know, back then people used to knock and they've got the doorbells.
Okay.
But by us shouting, we are informing them that we are here. So maybe you might go inside and they're not here. There's no one. So when they respond, do know that you are allowed to go inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na tunye so ki po ni so na pesa ba mbo tete na koti mbama ko eza problème. Abi eza problème parce que avant kota na banda kuna biso na ville kuna eza so beti porte mtatela li douceur bike mutaye mais awa il faut belela pam soko tam soko kota mutazat mais il faut belela mbote. So ba répondre yo c'est que ba zalo ko kota.
All right. This whole space, they call it Khoro.
Place ba benyango kholo.
Khoro is a meeting place for the chief of the villages together with the men. They normally sit around here and discuss about the problems that affects the village.
Okay, awa nde place ba tunyoso ya mboka bayaka so likambo ezali bayaka bafandi abakata likambo.
So women are not allowed to be here.
Donc basi baza permis ya koya kofanda te kaka mibali bayaka kokata makambo place. Why not women only men?
Why? Because this is a special place for men where they discuss about all the wars, and as you can see down there, it's a cattle kraal. So they will invite young boys and teach them on how to herd cattle and how to bring more cattle in the family, because now cattle was wealth for them. So it's only the men. Women are seated inside cooking, cleaning, taking care of the kids.
Okay, so basi bazana na kapo na ba cuisine pona bazwa so ya bana so ya mibali na balambela mibali mais awa eza place mibali bayaka kofanda bakata makambo baye bande ntoko sala bitumbe koti na village ni ntoko sala pona tokene bitumba ni tosa po mboka za na kimia, donc basi baza permis kuza ate. So where is the chief?
The chief, he is not yet here. Yeah.
Na tune chef azaba bi chef azana no awa tenda na community. Can we see the queen or the princess or the prince?
We have the elderly mother of the village. Okay, so she's right inside the kitchen.
Can you see? Donc bazaka na ancienne mama o yaza awa na mboka princesse azate roi azate queen azate prince azate bazaka na ancienne moko zawa te toke poto mona ye tozokota tomona mama ya mukolo tubela flocha.
Maybe you can look at the floors.
Okay.
And you will see that Bedi people, they recycle cow dung. They polish their floors using cow dung.
Why?
Why? The smell chases away all the insects and the mosquitoes. They're making their floors beautiful. And lastly, they're protecting themselves from dust. And they didn't have cement, remember? So it was only soil. So they take mud, mix it with cow dung, and then they start building their floors using that. Okay.
So how are you going to welcome us in your village?
Definitely they welcomed you with you greeting them. Yes, of course. And Pedi people are friendly people. And normally if you come and visit them, you will have something to eat, which now in this village they've got mopani worms. Mopani worms is a meal for the Pedi people. They boil it, they fry it, and then they enjoy it.
That one?
Yes. No, not that, but those worms.
Oh.
Yes.
So can you show us how you do it? I would like also to know how they got their daughters married. We would like to know.
To marry a Pedi woman, you need to pay 13 cows. 13 cows is because a Pedi man will only marry a Pedi woman according to her hard work, not her beauty.
Okay. Donc na tuni ba soki avant obala mwana bango mwasi basenga kanyi za kandenge ni. To basenga 13 ngombe. Alors soko za na ngote ba opesa ndambu ni ko sisa malemba mais kapsi kuna kongeza la soki mbonga libale okuji kopesa nyoso te okopesi ndambu okusisa ndambu sima ba ngompe eza bongo. Donc c'est ça. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Which village again we want to visit?
Okay, now we're going to be visiting our second village. That's the Zulu village.
Zulu village.
So let's thank the family by saying Ria Lebua.
Ria Lebura. Huh? Welcome back. Nous continuons toujours avec notre émission de Mboka Connexion et avec notre sujet de Into Aliseti village. Sister, I would like to know which village are we now?
We are in the Zulu village. Zulu people, they are all the way from KwaZulu Natal.
Ah, toye na wewe kaka kuna na Congo Zulu, Zulu bika kuna Congo bika ka Zulu. De temboka ba Zulu. Donc ande toye bomo la ba Zulu ndeni bazalaka parce que celle mboka toye bikuna na Congo zakaka Zulu. Toye na mboka Zulu toye ba ni ne se pasaka awa. Oh, what can I do to enter?
Before we go inside, firstly, as you can see up there, that's our Zulu warrior. He's the spy for the Zulu people, our security guard. So firstly, we need to greet him and then we need to ask for permission.
Okay. Kuna bozomo na tonto atelemi kuna yaza guerrier et pour la sécurité guerrier sécurité ya sika oyo desiko afato kota to kota te sans permission na ye. De faut singa permission et pas guerrier pour to kota. Ce qui était flèche wana na nzoto na biso. Alors how can I greet?
Sawubona.
Sawubona. Okay.
Now we need to ask for permission.
In your language?
Yes.
Teach me.
Sikhulekile ekhaya.
Sikhulekile ekhaya.
He's informing the chief that he's got visitors.
Okay. To signer permission. IBC ce que non. Chief a dit que toza awa. Ba on peut passer permission to kota kuna na kati. Toze la réponse à chief. Chief a signé permission to kota. IBC to kota tozo kota.
He's greeting us. Can we respond back by saying yebo?
Yebo.
He's here to welcome us.
Thank you. Donc bozomona dans village ya Zulu baka Zulu village ya Zulu yango yo. Donc bozomona donc chef a pesi sur permission to kota. Bozomona banda kuna bango pa ba Zulu atomona za moi différence parce que mboka na bango kitoko banda ka bango kitoko. Ha sister, but PD the village was small, but the Zulu is a little bit big. It's great. And why is this different?
Definitely there's no different because you are just seated, you are in the homestead. But if you came at the back, you would see that bed is also big. These are our guest houses. This is not part of the homestead. So these are the guest houses and right behind that's the homestead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Donc, personne bozomona oyo eza guest house na bango pour la ba inviter. Alors na simande eza village nito que visiter mais ah eza pour la ba visiter a guest house na bango yango yo.
Now, I will show you how Zulu people do their greeting. They do it in the most respectful way. Sawubona unjani ngiyaphila simply means hello, how are you? I am fine.
Sawubona
unjani
ngiyaphila.
Yes. So, to show respect to our chief, we need to thank him by saying siyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Now, to marry a Zulu woman, you need to pay 11 cows. And if you are a Zulu man and you don't have any cows at all, that means you wouldn't be able to afford yourself a wife.
So za Zulu mobile ya Zulu e koza na 11 ngombe ko pesa te ba peso mo cité parce que oza na mbongo oza makoki ya kozwa mwana na bango te na libala.
But if you are a Zulu man and you have lots and lots of cows, that means you will be able to get married to lots and lots of women.
Oh, donc so za mobile ya Zulu e koza na ba ngombe ebele donc oza na capacité ko bala pe pasi ebele donc bo amone koza mobile ya mbongo quoi. So if a Congolese, a man from Congo, he has many cows. He can get married to also many Zulu girls.
Yes.
You do agree for you to marry your daughters?
Yes.
Okay.
We do.
Bango atoza Congolese mbongo bele bangombe bele yaka nozo bango ta 20. Donc baboya la bango te kobala ba étranger. C'est ça. Can you continue now?
Yeah, let's go this side.
It's nice.
Alright, so let's greet the whole family by saying Sanbonani.
Sanbonani.
Yebo! Sanbonani.
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 Lovely. Now you had them, huh?
I had them.
You had them, okay. Yeah. So I'm going to explain to you about our main kitchen, Iqiba. Can you try to say Iqiba?
Iqiba. Iqiba.
Iqiba. Yes, Iqiba is our main kitchen.
So, Iqiba is a cuisine na bango. Tozo kota total nini ezakuna na kat. Iqiba.
Okay, the only kitchen that we have in this homestead, we identify the kitchen with the small windows around the heart. Okay. Why women cook inside? So they serve as a ventilation, a chimney to ease out and blow out the smoke.
Donc, on est eza cuisine, on a des fenêtres, ba sama dessous, ba nzete, ba teli ma dessous. On est sur la seconde cuisine, tant moi ça sur lamba milinga, donc espace, donc des bases définir cuisine na boye ba ke eza cuisine. Yeah,
okay. And our lovely Zulu lady is busy doing the weaving, creating our beautiful grass mat. Itansi. Okay, yeah. Almost there.
Okay. Oh.
It's a mat. It's a grass mat.
Okay. Alors ça les toko pour la des villages balala les toko oui ka village balala toujours les toko donc alors ça les toko.
All right, this is how we identify an unmarried Zulu lady with the short skirts and the beautiful beaded clothes.
Donc oyo ndenge ba identifier ka moi so waza célibataire on na balité balata kaboye.
What she's carrying on her head, this is our clay pot. We use it to go fetch water from.
Oh, atila mutu eza ndungu o bakena kutoka la mai na liziba na village.
And this round ring, we call it inkata. It balances the clay pot so it wouldn't fall when she carries it on her head.
Oh ya benye yango inkata yango nde bataka soki utabemi eloko la mutu ndungu la mutu ekoya te ezo support inkata.
All right. And how we identify a married Zulu woman?
Ndenge ni ko identifier mwasi wa bala Zulu o ya bala.
With the skirt, we call it isidwaba.
Na jupe o babengi isintwaba.
And isikolo, the red hat.
And chapeau rouge, they only identify que aza mwasi ya libala.
Years ago, they would sew the hat permanently onto the woman's hair.
Donc, oh yo so pas que mwasi ya Zulu aza ya mwasi ya libala ba oso chapeau o batongi yango na suki na ye. Yango ne l'accès que no aza mwasi libala ko longa chapeau na taza mwasi batu. Eza gloire ya mobali na ye.
Okay. And on the wedding day, the husband will give this beautiful gift to the wife. They call it isikiki. It's a lovely pillow for the wife to sleep at night and also a comfortable seat for the husband to sit in the arms.
Okay, allez, mbala ko pesa cadeau ya ebonga oyo eza coussin pour la mwasi kolala, eza pe pona ebonga mbali afandela.
Isiqhama, this is our figure belt. Once a married Zulu woman is done giving birth, they will then tie this tightly on the waist. It will bring back a shape, her waist back to its normal position.
Okay, ceinture oyo soki mwasi ya Zulu azaki na zemi aboti bakanga ka ceinture oyo yango nezongisaka libumu ezonga lokwa ya jeune fille. Wow.
Okay, so welcome to the spear making area where the warriors sit and create their own fighting weapons.
Okay. Awa neza place ba guerrier basangana ka ba bundaka entre ba ona baza ko préparer combat entre ba ona bango de place onde yango.
Let's greet the warrior by saying Sawubona.
To pesa guerrier mboti na koloba Sawubona.
Yeah, Sawubona. Njani?
Sikanjani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Ngike kahle.
Okay.
Mchazela nanku umkhonto wakwaZulu. Lo mkhonto enguphethe la umde wawuphatha usenza ngakhona. Ubaba bashaka kudala ngalezo ikhathi mabeyokudla. Bethi mabeqhamuka lempini bebacule ngale mkhonto emide. Bengasondeli kubo. Ukhale phezulu uthi pha 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 uyokwazi into futhi. Izwake. Bathi igama la isiphapha ngoba uma uhamba phezulu umsindo uthi pha pha.
he's talking about the long throwing spear that was used by King Shaka's father, King Senza Ngakona.
Donc bapesi likonga oyo si papa parce que ce que abeti yango tango eke likole sala papa ya bapesa kombo si papa isi papa
wabona ukuthi hayi lo mkhonto lo ayithi masebeyibe yonke mayisiphelile bebaleke awela ushaka ukukhipha afika nehawe elikhulu ushaka njengaleti na AK47 yakwazi mayifika emadodeni afika tufana manje funa awufa uthi yakhala awufa uyezwa ke maye ufaka awufa mase uphenduka
nakufi
wathi igama layo yini ikhwa.
Thank you. I like it. What was I saying?
Isi Papa was used by his father, and then now Shaka Zulu took over as a king, and he realized that his father was a coward by using the long throwing spear. For his father back then, he would take those long throwing spears, he would attack his enemies, and once he ran out of spears, he didn't have any spears left, he would run away. Therefore, King Shaka Zulu considered his father as a coward.
Donc, Shaka Zulu, tango asoki ukondi ko utana papa na a réalisé que papa na azalaki lâche parce que yazaki kozwa pour abuma benemi azoko sala 5 flèches. Alors moi na mona que eza alors ça sala 5 flèches wana après esili après akimi bitumba. Alors il a considéré papa comme un lâche. Yes ko tanga ye azali ko sala ya mukuse wana ke nu shomi ya mukuse wana nde azali soka atubi abunda lo fara okimate soka atubio azana ka kawana okimate atubi azana wana tibitumbe sila. Can you show me that the short one that he was using? Is that one? Can I touch it?
Yes.
Yeah. So oyonde Shaka Zulu bande ko saela ngo so ta tubio azana osi passe okimate. Donc yazaki le papa na été. They are also warrior women.
No.
Donc warrior women na Zulu bazate. Ba guerrier basi bazate na Zulu. Only men kaka mibali.
Okay, so now we need to go to our next village. So let's thank him by saying Siyabonga.
Si quand on toque na village mususu, to peut se remercier et to remercier Siyabonga. Yes, thank you. Toujours une émission de Biso Mboka Connexion à un tout à l'essai du village toye à la Mboka ya Sutu. Donc toye plutôt ba Sutu village maramuni et c'est pas ça à na Sutu village. Hi sister, we continue our job.
Okay, welcome to the Sutu village. Sutu people, they are all the way from Lesotho. Lesotho is one of our independent countries within Southern Africa. We use passports to go to them, and they also use passports to come to us.
Ah, toye na village Sutu. Sutu est un village où il y a indépendance. Alors pour na bakota nani na Afrique du Sud, basa il a passeport. Ba on peut voir qu'il y a kuna basa il a passeport. Alors tu as le kanding.
All right, meet the chief of the Basotho people, and to greet him, can we say Khotso Morena?
Oh, is a chef ya Basotho pour on peut se mbote balobaka. Khotso Morena.
Khotso
Morena.
Khotso means peace.
Khotso elexi kimia.
Okay, this is how we identify a Sotho man, with the chronicle hat and the blanket.
Boine to identifier ka Sotho mobile ya Sotho ala na chapeau o et puis na couverture o ya te.
The chronicle hat represents their mountain kingdom. Thaba Bosigo, we call it the mountain of the night.
Donc on la bazara toujours na ngomba donc chapeau au Alexis montagne bazara toujours na ngomba.
And the blankets shows that it is icy cold during the winter time in Lesotho. Lesotho is one of the places within Southern Africa that receives snow during the winter time.
So it's cold there.
It is very cold.
The couverture oyatie parce que kuna na Lesotho kuna mali lezala kamakasi ndomo na bango ba itizaka couverture o likolo ya ngomba.
And if you can see the boots shows that they were the first men to be recruited in the mining industry.
Okay, donc boot ozo lesteke bazalaki batu ya liboso bazali recruter na domaine ya mine.
Okay, so now we need to thank our chief by saying Ria Leboha.
Siko to pesa chef la biso merci na koloba Ria Leboha.
Ria Leboha.
This whole space, they call it Lekotla. Lekotla is a meeting place for the chief of the villages together with the men.
Okay. Place oyo, eza place o, ba mibali nyoso ya village, baka okuta na chef na bango po na réunion.
Okay, and this small hut, they call it Mikhoro. Mikhoro is where they keep young boys, age restriction 18 and above. They normally keep them here inside for a period of 6 months to teach them, train them on how to become a real man, how to respect their elders, and how to respect the woman.
Awananda ko bantrena bana ya mibali pendant 6 mois, ko banda na âge ya 18 ans ti likolo. Bantrena bonde ni ya kozala mobali ya solo, ya ko bandeni kufanda na mwasi.
After 6 months, they take them up the mountains to the initiation school, and also up there, they serve another 6 months.
Okay. Après, barozwa bango pona 6 mois lisusu na kuna la montagne, mama na montagne kuna pona ko initier bango, kuna su pona 6 mois lisusu.
Okay, so now we need to go inside and meet the rest of the family.
Siko tongi toko tanakati tomo la famille mobimba. Can we enter?
Yes, you can. Don't forget that they are peaceful.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's greet the family by saying Khotso.
Hoto.
Khotso. You still remember what Khotso means?
Hoto mean
Peace.
peace.
Our lovely Sotho lady is busy grinding sorghum, brown corn, and they call it mabele.
Oh, mama la biso ya Sotho azo sala masangu na ba bengi yango. The name?
Mabele.
Mabele.
When she is done, she will then prepare what they call motoho, and that's the soft porridge.
Asoka silisi au sala ngo poto eza poto ya pete.
Do you have brown porridge in your country?
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm talking about that.
Yeah. Poto net biso kuna za poto ya poto. The porridge is poto. You know mabele in your language is the breast.
Oh, even
yeah.
as
okay, mabele.
Even in the Zulus, they call it mabele.
Yeah.
All right. This is the fireplace, the windbreaker. This is where the women cook.
Awaneza cuisine ya mama pesi mama balambaka cuisine bango yango.
They call it liifo.
Babenga yango liifo.
The reason why it is built into 4 is because of the wind. Let's say, for instance, you are cooking the side and the wind comes and blows the fire away. What will you do?
Okay.
Go to the opposite direction where there is no wind, start another fire and cook.
Raison pour laquelle basala on a 4 places eza pona soki mama zolamba awa est-ce que mu pepe eye et déranger nzungo ba moto akoya na ngambu oyo soki mu pepe eye po ba moto akekuna kaka bongo.
Okay, and that's how we identify the traditional healer's hut, the Sangoma's hut.
Oh, awande na village surtout awande place bazo identifier place ndako ya nganga na bango. Awa.
The 3 horns at the top and the spear right there.
Dans la maseke misatu na likonga moko. Wande place bandaka banganga na bango. Otango za malade awande poka ko bikisa awa.
Do you know what's a traditional healer?
Yeah, I know.
What?
In my language is nganga.
What is nganga?
Is
what do they do? What do they do in the country?
Sometimes when you are sick, they will bring you do some herbs and we heal you. We have it also in Congo. We are African, you forgot.
Okay, so now this is the all about the Sotho people.
And
let's thank them by saying Ria Leboha.
Ria Leboha. Welcome back to Ashon Nzanzi Collection. Also continue toujours l'émission à Bisso. Sister, because of the time we can't visit all the village because it's late already. We have to go back. Now I would like you just to mention all the tribes here in South Africa because in Congo they only know Zulu. That's all they know, Zulu.
No, we do have Zulus because I'm a Zulu. We have Basotho, we have Batswana, we have Amaxhosa, we have Bapedi, we have Amavenda, we have Amashangani, we also have Amandebele. Yes.
Ok, bino moboki, moi to visiter tous les villages journalistes parce que tant ils vraiment mukuse photo kenepe babi na pas station babi naka ba restaurant na bango ba hôtel na bango pende ba visiter donc tant que visiter ba village non c'est zate restez toujours branchés, don't go anywhere, don't change the channel, we back soon. Thank you.
What you call a rainbow nation. Big up to the rainbow nation.
Did you enjoy Lesed Village?
Yes, it was beautiful. And I very enjoy from all South Africa. It's wonderful.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Israel.
Age.
Absolutely loved it. It was absolutely fabulous, wonderful. Absolutely loved it. It was amazing. The stories, culture.
So where are you from?
Ireland.
Alors, bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Tu as apprécié Lesed Village?
Oui, beaucoup, beaucoup.
Ok, tu viens d'où?
De France.
How are you?
Thank you. Very fun.
Where are you from?
Israel.
From Israel. Did you enjoy Lesed Village?
Very, very much.
What did you?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
And you are beautiful.
Thank you very much.
And you enjoy very, very much.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
We're from Israel.
From Israel. Did you enjoy Lesed Village?
Very much, very much. What a beautiful village. I thought, what a wonderful people.
Wow.
What a culture.
Yeah.
What a very rich culture.
Wow.
I want to be like them.
Okay. Donc, tu comment l'ambiance haute, tu connais la katia, na katia ya Lesed Village, bon mon ambiance, bon bon ba la simno culture sud-africaine. Na katia tu connais ba accepte culture ya bangala na bango, ya ba luba na bango, ya ba yakana bango, ba Congo na bango, ba la kisi ba culture nyonso bon mon kuna pourquoi pas super le Congo to ça makamaboy. Donc mon ke ba tonge sika o ka pona ko conserver la culture na bango. Alors bon moni donc ba fouti entre ça $40. Bon me mindele ba uti Israël. Donc on se mona que ba tu ba uti par-ci par là ba uti Israël, ba uti Italie, ba uti Irlande, ba kaka na Lesed Village. Donc mona que ba we na bango afo disi ba we la ka côté ka diamante orte, mais ba zo wala pe côté ka culture na bango. Donc le côté simbongo aiza diamante za orte, le côté simbongo culture. Ba tu ba uti misika mindele boy mindela ndenge mingi ki mindele. Ba ka ba pe ba sepeli na culture sud-africaine bo moni. Donc ba côté simbongo aye ba sepeli na biso pe to ki poster émission to sepeli. Donc hello.
Hi there.
Yo, I can say that you are a strong man.
Yes, I am. Remember, we do this twice a day. Same speed, same power, same energy.
So I'm not tired sometimes because oh no, I'm sick, I can't do it.
It doesn't matter how many visitors we have. We do this for 2 people. We do this for 1 person. Same power, same energy.
This village inspired me. I don't know. I was like, I forgot everything.
Go out there and spread the message that here in Lesedi Cultural Village, it's happening. It's happening, baby. Ciao, ciao.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Siabonga. Donc bien pour moni ambiance tout ça vraiment pourquoi pas tout ça bloc na Congo et tout garder tout ça balo babota bato babota makana Kinshasa babimboka te tout créer le mois boye au village à Bangala ya Équateur kuna Bandundu kuna ba Congo kuna nini Kasai oriental occidental to créer le mois boye bat baka ata mutabota na mboka te mais tanga ye place bazo enseigner ndenge nini mboka na bango banda ba grand parents na bango bazaka ndenge nini nana zaka mu continent mbona tango so mona ke mwana zonga azo apprendre sur origine na ça la bien mingi to bota na kinto ebi na biso ba village na biso te mais so de créer le kaboye ozo manke bato ba ya ba ko tsambongo. Welcome back. There you are watching Mboka Connection. Alors Bolandi, banato banake mission to comme na suka Bolandi, nyoso to like sibino, donc to like sibino qui tout sud-africain ni bazo sala place batonga ngona but nini, batonga na but ke ba tunyoso oyo wapi azota okene mboka te. Azota robota na mboka te. Donc aya a découvrir origine na aya place nini auta aya a découvrir biso na Bangala avo bala mwasi ezalaka ndenge ni neti biso na Bangala na yeti kezana ngo basenga boatu na calibre 12 na yeti so bomanyama na zamba ni na ebite basenga filet donc biso linga biso bambisi ba filet na banga na baluba kuna basenga nini omo mususu aza abotama na kina mungala ayebi biloko ateki basenga nini pa Bangala pa baluba basenga nini na ebite na ba Congo basenga kanini ayebite ozoma ke place o botu ko ndata na saki intervenir fi wala lobi ke no ba étudier bayaka bayaka ko apprendre mutu mso mona abotama na kina nini na ville na Pretoria ayebi makambo te metanga ye awa azo sutuka OK et la mala biso ozane la mala biso biso to bala kande boye to bina kande boye oso mona ka découvrir awa mais ce qui de Congo to ko sa eloka boye donc to senga na ministère du tourisme ce ko okodi ko za initiative oyo o créer endroit moko ya boye donc bato ba yaka aya apprendre sur origine na ye ba grand parents ne bazaka banani balu bango mboka ngote ekabwana komba to kaka o kasa soki ne kabwana ka ebanaka ndenge nini to kaka o Bangala na bato bandundu moko bazalaka bandeko ezo ba biloko ba pesa boende tant bazo apprendre bazo ibisa bango OK chaque zulu abundanga na mutu intena wa intel zakande boy ozo mona ke mona zo ba origine pesa uta soki to ko sa biloko na Congo gouvernement to sa eloko na Congo vraiment que ça la bien et puis et bénéficier mboka mobimba et puis entrer peut-être tous insister entre $40 par jour donc chaque fingomaka du lundi au samedi donc place les apolele et puis bato monde ba bini kuna ba fanda donc ba engager bango donc bazona misala donc on va créer emploi pour na bato ba fanda ka bato monde ba bini kuna ba fanda ka ba futaka bango awa donc ba vivre eza musala. Ozuma ke ba créer musala pona ba surtout ça bloka pona Congo et que na chômage d'abord ba to ba misika bazoya ba culture congolaise ezakande boye ba kuti bino pe moi mutoshe binami moi ki bangala moi biso to linga ya sima moi ba Congo moi luketu boye ozomona tango ba moni ba bina ka bo to ba mindina bazongi na histoire ba bino non Afrique du Sud non en tout cas to moni frande ba africain bazalaka ozomona c'est tout ça eloka boye ba ka ba mona teningisa loketu ba Bangala et ça la fait bien donc là on le bezate nous sommes arrivés à la fin de notre émission. Hein? Mes remerciements toujours à Honorable Pius Mwabilou et à toute la famille Mwabilou, maman Brigitte Mwabilou, Christelle Mwabilou et puis Winnie Mwabilou. Et mes remerciements aussi à Chris Boubou, Batone Basalik, tout à sa caméra, à la laissée du village. Mes remerciements à sa femme Nenette Boubou et mes remerciements aussi à David Balingi et à sa femme aussi Anita Kanika. Mes remerciements aussi à maman Karine Nindo. Yes, I love you so much, maman. Et puis, je salue toute l'église ACRM à Bandal et je salue le pasteur Vadi. Je salue toute la famille Mokambila que j'aime beaucoup. Je salue la famille Mobongo, la famille Bobongo, la famille Mokaria, la famille Mobunga, la famille Tsumbu. I love you so much. Je salue aussi mon père, sans oublier la porte Meya. On la bat toujours les Mbingasor. Et le pied de Jésus. I love you so much, Daddy. Ok, là nous sommes arrivés à la fin de notre émission. Je salue aussi sans oublier Thierry Mouakazal, toute la famille Mouakazal. Je vous aime beaucoup. Ok, je salue ma mère aussi, Volcano Tsumbu, Mokambila. I love you so much. Je salue aussi ma maman à Angola, Rita. Je te salue, je t'aime beaucoup, maman. Ok, on se revoit à la prochaine émission. Bye bye.
La preuve qu'un pays peut se perdre entre deux lignes, et son hymne. On se retrouve enfermé derrière une porte ouverte. La paix compte ses plumes. Depuis que la guerre a pris des ailes, l'air sont réduits nos rêves. Vie d'hospice dans un pays palace. D'office coupable, la justice est lâche. Sur les silences, t'as tué la parole. Y'a plus d'oreilles que des murs depuis que nos sons choquent les ondes. C'est choc, le cours de l'or sur les crimes en cours. Sur des pertes faites bénéfices, corps sur table ronde. Des aigles feintent d'être au rossignol. La paix au bout de la langue, des armes au bout des ongles. Nos cris pour ces surdoués demeurent muets. En clair écrit sur visage et ventre, nous démontrons les torches chics d'aveugler des visionnaires. Écorchés, vifs, on tient le coup, tête ailleurs. Plus qu'un constat, l'échec est une leçon. La guerre est une mauvaise réponse à des bonnes questions. On vit après la